Hi there. Under what conditions would you say that an individual deserves death rather than probation? I suppose there are a number of situations where any one of us could imagine such a scenario. But today we're going to talk about an individual who's offered a 5-year plea deal. Would you say that a person who's offered a 5-year plea deal deserves to die in prison? Now, obviously, a person who is offered a 5-year plea deal is offered a 5-year plea deal because the prosecutors have determined that the facts of the case, that's what it warrants, is a 5-year plea. That's what happened to my son 23 years ago. In a he said, she said case, South Beach, Florida, his hotel room, a woman who actually invited herself into his room. Anyway, both of them in their 20s. She turns around and says it was non-consensual. He's offered a 5-year plea deal, sorry. He would have been out in 3. He said, no, I'm not going to do that. Innocent people don't take plea deals. Does he deserve to die in prison? Because that's exactly what's destined to happen. Because the Office of State Attorney, Catherine Fernandez-Rundle, have determined that he should die in prison because they refuse to correct a travesty of justice. They refuse to correct it. It's not okay to refuse to correct it. It was wrong. It was wrong then, and it is wrong now. When you offered a 5-year plea deal, you did so because you knew that the facts of the case, that was the most it could support, even with a stretch. But because he declined the plea deal, you decided to mount an all-out assault with a bunch of felonies, and you managed to win a trial because it's easier done than people think. It's time for the state attorney, Catherine Fernandez-Rundle, to correct this travesty of justice. My name is Evelyn Castillo-Bach, Executive Director of Balanced Justice Network. Thank you.